What is up, UKULIMBAKERS? UKULIMBAKERS, you know. Welcome to another video about Kalimba. And today we're having this Kalimba. This is Gukyasey Kalimba, 21 keys. And we're going to review it. I'm giving you some sound tests. And if you'd like to check out this Kalimba, you may see the link below. I'll put everything in the description. Alright, so in the later part of the video, you will hear a sound test of this Kalimba and my personal opinion, whether I like it or not. Alright, so let's get into it. And by the way, if you're new to my channel, I'm doing a lot of videos about kalimba and ukulele. Please do subscribe, give me thumbs up, like button, click it right there. Alright, and this is what you'll find once you unbox your Gukyasey Kalimba. After opening the package, there's a box. In that box, you'll see the case. Let's put the case right here, and you will see the other accessories. First thing you'll notice is the fingertip protectors. These serve as the finger picks of the instrument. Next is the stickers or markers. These are helpful especially for beginners. But if Gukyasey Kalimba is your third kalimba, let's say, you actually don't need them. Besides, this kalimba has engraved letters and numbers on it. They also give you a cleaning cloth. They give an instructional booklet with greetings on it, saying that they thank you for choosing Gukyasey. They actually add a bit of personal message that they appreciate if I will like their kalimba. Thanks Gukyasey, I actually like it. This booklet has a lot of how-tos in it. Feel free to read them. You will also get a soft case for your kalimba. The tuning hammer is inside the case. You have to unzip this one to get it. Here's one thing I really like. I don't know about you, but I'm particular with the case of my kalimba. I want my kalimba to be well protected when I'm not using it. Their case is 10/10 for me. All end signs of this kalimba are ringing well. The feels of the kalimba is pretty solid. It has a nice playability which can be enjoyed by both beginners and intermediate players within the affordable price range. Since it has 21 keys, you have a longer reach as compared to 17-key kalimba. There are more 4 lower notes. Soon I'll attach a pickup on it to test how it sounds like if it's amplified.